फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लॉ प्लैनेट। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको प्रियम्बल से रिलेटेड कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बताऊंगी, तो आप इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखें। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, प्रियम्बल इज पार्ट ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर, इन विच केस इट वॉज हेल्ड? ऑप्शन ए केशवानंदा भारती केस, ऑप्शन बी गोलकनाथ केस, ऑप्शन सी री बैरूबारी यूनियन, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ द अबव। And the correct answer is option A, that is Keshwananda Bharati case. Question number 2. Preamble was amended by which amendment? Option A, 42nd Amendment, option B, 44th Amendment, option C, 39th Amendment, option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, 42nd Amendment. Question number 3. Preamble of the Constitution declares India as option A, Socialist Democratic Republic, option B, Sovereign Socialist Secular Democratic Republic, option C, Sovereign Democratic Republic, option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, Sovereign Socialist Secular Democratic and Republic. Question number 4. By which amendment the words secular and socialist were included in the preamble? Option A, First Amendment, option B, Sixth Amendment, option C, 42nd Amendment, option D, 44th Amendment. And the correct answer is option C, 42nd Amendment. Question number 5. The basic structure of the Indian Constitution is contained in option A, Article 21, option B, Article 32, option C, Preamble, option D, Article 14. And the correct answer is option C, Preamble. Question number 6. The Indian Constitution is dedicated to option A, the Constituent Assembly, option B, the Parliament, option C, the whole society, option D, the people of India. And the correct answer is option D, the people of India. The Indian Constitution is dedicated to the people of India. Question number 7. The word secular used in the preamble of the Constitution of India means option A, the state has no religion of its own, option B, all religions are treated equally, option C, the state has no common religion, option D, both A and B are correct. And the correct answer is option D. Both A and B are correct. Statement number A, the state has no religion of its own, and the statement number B, all religions are treated equally, both are correct in respect of secular word. Next question. Question number 8. The text of the preamble of the Constitution of India aims to secure option A, fundamental rights to all individuals, option B, fundamental duties to citizens of India, option C, dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation, option D, security of service to the government servant. And the correct answer is option C, dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. Question number 9. The Indian Constitution has borrowed the idea of preamble from the option A, Italian Constitution, option B, Canadian Constitution, option C, French Constitution, option D, Constitution of USA. And the correct answer is option D, Constitution of USA. Question number 10. Legal sovereignty in India resides in the Constitution itself and not in we the people of India. This ideology was expressed in option A, Lucknow Development Authority versus A.K. Gupta case, option B, Sankari Prasad case, option C, Golaknath case, option D, Keshwananda Bharti case. And the correct answer is option D, that is Keshwananda Bharti case. Question number 11. The term economic justice in the preamble to the Constitution of India is a resolution for option A, equal distribution of wealth, option B, economy in the administration of justice, option C, socio-economic revolution, option D, chief justice of the poorer. And the correct answer is option A, equal distribution of wealth. Question number 12. Which of the following is correct about the preamble to the Constitution of India? Option A, it was adopted after adoption of operative articles of Constitution. Option B, it envisages that all citizens have fundamental rights. Option C, it seeks to secure good livelihood to all. Option D, it is not a part of the Constitution. And the correct answer is option A. It was adopted after adoption of operative articles of Constitution. Question number 13. In case there is a conflict between the preamble and other provisions of the Constitution, which will prevail over the other? Option A, preamble will prevail. Option B, other provision will prevail. Option C, both will go side by side. Option D, interpretation of the Supreme Court will prevail. And the correct answer is option B, other provision will prevail. Question number 14. In Re Baru Bari and exchange of enclaves, the Supreme Court held that option A, rule of law is not a part of Constitution. Option B, rule of law is a part of Constitution. Option C, preamble is not a part of Constitution. Option D, preamble is a part of Constitution. And the correct answer is option C, preamble is not a part of Constitution. Question number 15. Preamble is the part of Indian Constitution. Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, maybe. Option D, may not be. And the correct answer is option A, that is yes. Preamble is a part of Indian Constitution. This statement is correct. Thank you guys for watching this video. आपको ऐसी ही वीडियोस देखनी है तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और रेगुलर नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर सकते हैं.